How to create a QR code for a location in Google Maps on Android. This tutorial shows you how to generate a scannable QR code that takes anyone straight to a specific place for your Android. First, open the Google Maps app on your Android device and search for the location you want to create a QR code for. After that, tap on the location to open its details page. From there, tap on Share to open the sharing options. At this point, tap on Copy Link to copy the Google Maps link for that location to your clipboard. In the next step, open your browser and search for any QR code generator. Following this, tap on the first result to open the QR code generator website. Once done, you'll see different input options on the page. Make sure URL is selected and not text or any other format. From here, tap on the input field and paste the Google Maps link you copied earlier. And wait a moment while the website creates your QR code. Finally, once the QR code appears, you can download it directly to your device or share it straight from the page to wherever you need it. And that's it. If this guide helped you create a QR code for a Google Maps location on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.